Alright guys, let's go ahead and let's get this hatch on. Hopefully it shouldn't be too complicated getting everything out, but let's see.
Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice of the gang and we making a killing. It's 2020 and they notice the vision. You be the hero, I'm playing the villain. The underdogs and we walking the bill and we getting money. Yeah, they think that we dealing, they talking hot. Yeah, if they opponents and we won't stop till we all touch $1 million. Don't ever forget, but we probably forgive them. I'm living, taking the cause that was given. My blessings is already written. Wrapped little ribbon, putting ourselves in positions to making some major decisions. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look. I'm trying to get where I'm going, but haters be trolling, that's where they thinking you got me right where you want me. I tell a ghost just ducked up. Sending them shots, we send them back. Y'all ain't really bout that. Run, it's always bounce back. Need more hands just to count that. Stay on my bully, I need me more breeze just so we can get the team right. Loaded up fully, dogs on a leash, and you be knowing that's a scary sight. Don't happen overnight. Work smarter with some sacrifice. Sugar, spice, and everything nice. Mix it up, now you got a slice. We bridging the gap, they want us to rap, so could we back? Hey, yeah. Drew need a plaque, we turn to the max, and we never lacked. Hey, yeah. Been in my bag, it's a drag, I'm feeling jet lagged. Hey, yeah.
Alright guys, ready to see this? I'm actually freaking out a little bit just because I've never removed a hatch before, and though it's somewhat simple, just taking it off just kind of has me on edge. Maybe it's because of the back glass. I don't want to drop the thing or break it or something like that, but check it out guys. Hatch is off. Oh my god. If you guys followed my video clips right now, it wasn't too bad. You just gotta follow the instructions. I will be changing out those hatch struts to my OEM ones, which are these. This might be a little bit better for the hatch. With the current struts, because they do hold more weight, the way it lifts up, it'll fly up if you don't really hold on to it. So I can imagine with the new hatch how much lighter it's going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and put the OEM ones back on. If anything, if it doesn't hold it up or it just doesn't work out, I can always put the aftermarket struts back on. But check it out, guys. That was pretty interesting with the wire loom, just how I had to disconnect everything from the defroster and all the connections, trying to make sure I don't break anything. Also, when I took off all the trim panels, just making sure I didn't lose any clips or any of those anti-vibration cones. We're looking good, fam. We're ready to throw that hatch onto the car. Super excited, guys. Hopefully you guys are excited as I am. And there we have the OEM hatch. I will be taking this to Prestige Auto Body. $300. He's gonna go ahead and fill in the holes. I think he said you can't weld aluminum. He's gonna fill the holes in and then basically do some body work, smooth everything out. It does have a little bit of impressions from the brackets that held the wing in place. And then once he gets everything flat and smooth, and I don't think he has to take the glass off, right? I'm not sure. And pretty much from there, he's basically gonna reshoot it sapphire blue, and then it's gonna be brand spanking new again. And of course the GT4RS hatch already has the slots, so I was gonna have to, and my buddy Matt from Porsche Mod Squad's got the templates. Basically we're gonna take the OEM hatch, cut the slots, use his brackets to hold everything in place. But now that I have this hatch from Silver Rockets, no need. Oh, that looks so good, guys. Oh man. Alright, let's get back to work.
Seguimos acá hasta que la vibra se entregue. Escúchate este ritmo pa' que te pegue. Hoy vamos a pelear como se debe. Party pa' abajo, centro dentro, baby, hoy se bebe. Toda la bitches gírense, mami, voy se breve.
Alright guys, what we're gonna do next is I want to see how much the Silver Rockets carbon fiber hatch weighs. One hand, you guys. Alright guys, according to my calculator, that carbon fiber hatch only weighs 12.7 pounds. How crazy is that? Now that does not include the polycarbonate glass, which I guess I might as well weigh how much that glass weighs, and yeah, let's do that. Again guys, one hand. Let's zero this out. Alright guys, according to the calculator, that polycarbonate glass only weighs 7 pounds. Pretty damn light, right? Alright, we're gonna see how much the OEM hatch with the glass weighs. Definitely gotta hold it with two hands. Alright guys, according to my calculator, the OEM hatch weighs 29.3 pounds. Guys, what a difference, 29.3 pounds to 12.8 pounds. What a huge difference in weight. Alright guys, I got the hatch on. It's not bolted down just because I don't want to take all the bolts off, because I do have to drop this off at the body shop first thing in the morning. But I just wanted everything to be set in place just to see what it would look like. But here we go. You guys ready? Oh my God, look at that. Little bit of gaps, like I said, nothing's bolted on, so I do have to make some adjustments until everything sits perfectly. I didn't put the latch on just because I don't want to take it back off. How good does that look, you guys? Oh my God. Looks so good. What do you guys think? Oh man. I would put the polycarbonate glass on. I don't want to scratch it. I want to make sure I get the expel done first, and then we'll put it on. Right? Let's put those risers on. I want to see what it looks like with the risers. Alright, here we got the left side. Hopefully it stays in place. Got the right side.
Diving deep into the waves, babe. I know that you wanted to. It's a risk worth taking, even if it's over soon. Want you skin tight, close like denim. Come on, love me right. When it's ending, I'll be fine. I got your body close to mine. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. If it's only for tonight. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. If you need somebody, you know I'm the one for you.
Now it sits proper. Now I can actually see exactly how high this is going to sit. Just because when I had those foams on, it sat a little bit taller. Yes, check it out, guys. Oh my God. Well, fam, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm super excited. I'm very happy with the way this turned out. Everything I envisioned is coming to life. All we have left is to drop everything off at the body shop, get everything high gloss clear. That way everything matches. Once that's done, then we can go ahead and install that polycarbonate glass. Guys, I can't believe it's on. And it's so light. Alright fam, that's gonna do it for this video. Guys, I really appreciate you guys watching my content. I really hope you guys like the direction that it's going in. I just love how everything went from all blue to pretty much carbon fibers. With that being said, guys, if you like the content, please consider subscribing. hit those post notifications. That way every time I drop my videos, you guys will be notified. And if you guys have any questions or any comments, be sure to post them below. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. You guys can also follow me on Instagram at LSTurboInteg. And always guys, hit that like button. It really helps with my channel. Well, that's going to do it for me, guys. Again, thanks so much for tuning in. Guys, have a blessed and wonderful day. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.